In this video, we will review the updated countCLOUD video processing system. This video will cover creating a countCLOUD account, purchasing count hours, creating an available status count, submitting video data for processing, and downloading of your completed count data. To access countCLOUD, open a web browser and navigate to countcloud.streetlogic.pro. This will bring you to a login and account creation page. If this is your first time using the new system, create an account using the Create Account tab. Please note that the email address used for the countCLOUD account must match the email used when purchasing hours in order for your processing credits to be populated. Once you have entered your information, click Create Account. A confirmation code will be sent to the email address entered. Enter this code into countcloud.streetlogic.pro to complete your account creation. With your account created, count hours can now be purchased from the online store or directly within the countCLOUD dashboard. The larger the quantity of hours purchased, the lower the cost per processed hour will become. Enter the desired quantity hours and complete the purchase. Please remember the email used to purchase hours must match the email used within countCLOUD. Once your purchase is complete, your hours will be automatically transferred to your countCLOUD account. The updated countCLOUD platform provides users a dashboard for each account. Here, pricing information, onboarding videos, purchase history, hours expiration, and your user profile information are provided. To submit a new count, click the Library tab on the left of the page. Generate a count by entering the desired duration, classification breakdown, and quantity of counts to create. For the purpose of this video, I am submitting a 13-hour 2-class count, which will utilize 13 of my available hours. Please note that 3-class and 13-class counts utilize more than one available hour per submitted video hour, as these require more resources to complete. The exact cost ratio of these classifications can be seen in the countCLOUD Help Center. When you are ready to generate your count, click Create Count. This will populate an available status count in the library below the Count Creation module. This is where all of your active and completed counts are stored. All counts will show a status. Available counts have not yet been uploaded to the system for processing. In-process counts have been submitted for processing. Complete counts have been processed with available data ready for download. And downloaded counts have had their completed data report downloaded. To submit a count, click the count ID number for the available count that matches your desired class and duration. Enter the start date and time of the count. If needed, use the split function to provide up to 3 counting periods within an uploaded count. Enter the start date and times, along with the duration for each counting period. Please note that the count will not be able to be submitted if the sum of the counting period's durations does not match the total duration of the created count. Enter a location reference. This is used to label your count sheet upon completion. The internal notes section can be used for any additional details you may want to keep for this count. This information is not shared through the system and will only be visible to you. When the data is entered, click Save. Once saved, a screenshot from the camera with north arrow and labeled approaches must be provided. We recommend using the snipping tool on Windows-based computers. Finally, the video file must be uploaded. Once your screenshot and video file have been uploaded and you have clicked Save, your available count will switch to In Process in the dashboard. At this time, there is a 15-minute window where you can re-upload either file or change count details if you notice a mistake. Counts will remain in the In Process status for up to 3 business days while being processed. If the counting team finds an issue that prevents them from processing your count, the count will be shifted to the Error status. Click on the count ID of a count in the Error status to see the reported error. Once the error is fixed, the count will return to In Process. Once a count has been processed, the status will shift to Complete, and your data will be available for download. Download your tabulated count data by clicking the Download Report button inside of the specific Count ID page. The multi-selector within the library can also be used if more than one count is available for download. Once a completed report has been downloaded, the status will shift to Downloaded in the library, and the count will move to the bottom of your list.